On today's shenanigans, we have a fridge on this Beneteau. I took the old fridge out, but now I gotta take it apart to be able to fit it through this little hole. Very nice, right? Order something with the same part number, but it doesn't fit. Now she's a little too tight. I gotta figure out why. Make it work. Partially done with this. All I have to do now is change these because this fridge is different. Fridge. Now the client will be ready to use their boat for this weekend. All complete. Installed. Ready to be used. Everything's working.